Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stripe webhooks with AI to detect anomalies. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the webhooks section in the dashboard. Click on the Add Endpoint button to create a new webhook. Input your server's endpoint URL where you want to receive Stripe webhook events. Select the events you want to monitor, such as payment_intent.succeeded or charge.failed. Save the webhook endpoint settings after configuring the events. Now, set up your server to handle incoming webhook requests. Use a language like Node.js or Python to create an endpoint that listens for post requests. Extract the event data from the incoming request to process it. Implement error handling to ensure your endpoint responds correctly. Next, integrate an AI anomaly detection framework into your server application. Choose a library suited for your preferred programming language. For example, you can use TensorFlow or PyTorch for Python. Train your model with historical payment data to identify normal transaction patterns. Once trained, deploy the model within your server application. Include logic in your webhook handling code to analyze each incoming event. If the event data deviates significantly from the norm, trigger an alert. Testing your webhook is crucial. Use Stripe CLI to send test events. Verify that your server correctly receives and processes these test webhook events. Monitor the logs to ensure there are no errors in event handling. Optimize your anomaly detection model periodically to maintain accuracy. Adjust your event selection criteria as your business needs evolve. Document your configuration and workflow for future reference. Regularly review your webhook implementation for any necessary updates. Stay informed about any changes in Stripe's API to ensure compatibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.